Hello, hi guys. Let's go through how we can quickly set up our shop and manage our catalog. So once you sign up into the store, so basically it will be your store. I will be putting my store as which a few description, great shop in your area. Okay, transaction currency. So I will be dealing with INR. Your email. Okay, address will be the same, and if you want to change the logo you can do that. And if and it will be your shop is created now. And now let's see what is in there in the shop. So when the shop is created, the shop will be created with some default categories. As of now, it's a fresh vegetables, so it is created with this fresh vegetables. We can go to the dashboard, we can go to the product, and we can download the products which are there, the default product. So basically we go here and we download the product. So basically we send this products, and you will be seeing that these products are nothing but exported as a CSV file. So it will have category, subcategory, branch, and it have title, its description, its associated image. Everything will be in the CSV format. Okay, so that is what uh, we have downloaded. Now I'm deleting all the products. Okay, now I upload the products. So I will be uploading products, and so from the Excel sheet, you can see the products. If you want to copy, you can quickly copy the product, and the product will be copied and will be added. So for example, here I am doing copy product, so product will be created automatically. You can save one product at a time, or you can save all product. I am doing all product. The product will be saved, uh, and user can be able to see these products. Okay, so products are now visible to this is kind of a bulk upload. If we want to create a product one by one, so you have various different categories as such. So basically let's create household, then we can create a plastic item, and we can have, don't say brand is not mandatory, so do not put the brand is. I can see if I have any image as such available. Okay, as of now I will be putting this image. Okay, product name, household something, description. Okay, price is 200, MRP was 330. Okay, and I have maximum quantity available to sell is 10, and I save the data. Once I save the data, we upload the image and we add the product. So basically your product is being added. Now there are various uh, uh, one product can have many variation. I mean maybe the color, maybe the size, maybe it's weight, gram, 500 gram, kilogram. So how we can do that? We can do with the variations. Okay, in the variations you can keep the same image, or you can change the image also. So description of product, say household, household uh, 12. Just to see that, it's 300, MRP is 400, maximum 10, save quantity, variation is added. So you can see the variation is added. You can now this is a existing variation, this is existing variation, this is existing variation. So you can see that your variation can be added, so price will be shown. So accordingly, you can deal with the variations also. So this is like product, adding individual products. When you upload the CSV file, at that time it will be creating categories and subcategories. You don't have to go and manually create all those subcategories and categories and brands. It will be automatically added, okay, that you support. So you can clean up all the default brands, default categories and default subcategories, and when you will upload when you will do the bulk upload, it will be created automatically for you. So that is the catalog. So if when the user comes and he can connect with the one of the customer representative of the platform, then they can guide that shop owner how they can quickly add those catalogs for them. So this is what the catalog management. Now the catalog management can be done in a different way also, right? So basically, once the shop is being registered, customer representative can reach them and ask them the product catalog, and the CSV can be filled and added for them. It's very easy and quick. Thank you. I hope this will be helpful for you.